Hey everyone, it's Ken Angst with the Angst Real Estate Team with Hope Properties, out spotlighting our new listing in Damonte Ranch. It is 10790 Cedar Rock Drive, right off Veterans Parkway. So it's really easy to commute everywhere in the Reno Sparks area. Another thing about this property that's great is it is on a corner lot, so there are no neighbors on one of the sides. The inside is beautiful. It has upgraded appliances, stainless steel, which are being left with the property. The refrigerator, the washer dryer, also the oven and the microwave are all upgraded, so those are all coming with the property. In addition, it is 4 bedrooms, so it's great for professionals who are looking for a home office to work from when they need it. And also it has a great 3-car garage tandem that allows for either a small workshop or to store a lot of extra toys. So why don't you guys come on inside and we'll show you inside.